Hello everyone, my name is Simran of BCom Sem 4 K1 section of Hansraj Mahila Mahavidyalaya Jalandhar. I am here to present my topic for a seminar. So, first of all, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to our principal ma'am, Dr. Professor Mrs. Azay Sareen, for giving me this golden opportunity to give this seminar. Then I also pay my deep sense of gratitude to Dr. Mrs. Kamaldeep Kaur, HOD Department of Commerce and Management, for always encouraging me to the highest peak. I also thank our teacher in charge, Mrs. Binu Gupta, for her continuous support and guidance. So, my topic for seminar is the pulp and paper industry. So, here we go. These are the contents which we will discuss above. First one is introduction, history, manufacturing steps, SWOT analysis, geographical distribution of paper industry in India, effect of digital transformation on paper industry, present scenario of paper industry in India, future of paper industry in India, new initiatives, overview of paper industry, geographical information, and then conclusion. Introduction. The pulp and paper industry comprises companies that use wood as raw material and produce pulp, paper, paperboard, and other cellulose based products. The pulp is fed to a paper machine where it is formed as a paper web and the water is removed from it by pressing and drawing. History. The first paper making process was documented in China during Eastern Han period, traditionally attributed to the court official. During the 8th century, Chinese paper making spread to the Islamic world where pulp mills and paper mills were used for paper making and money making. By the 13th century, paper making was refined with paper mills utilizing water wheels in Spain. Later, European improvements to the paper making process came in the 19th century with the invention of wood based papers. Manufacturing steps. First one is timber, debarking, chipping process, chemical pulping process, mechanical pulping process, hydra pulping, blend chest, waste paper, de-inking, refining, screening and cleaning, paper making machine, and conversion and printing. First one is timber. Timber used for paper making comes from well-managed forests where more trees are planted than harvested to ensure a sustainable growth. Debarker. Bark is stripped from the logs by knife, drum, abrasion, or hydraulic barker. The striped bark is then used for fuel or as a soil enrichment. Chipping. Striped logs or timber are chipped into small pieces by knives mounted in massive chipping machine. Chips are then stored in huge bins ready for the next process. Chemical pulping process. Chips from the storage bins are fed into a digester. The wood chips are then cooked to remove lining. Lining is the binding material which holds the cellulose fibers together. The chemical process is energy self-sufficient as nearly all byproducts can be used to fire the pulp mill power plant. Mechanical pulping process. Mechanical pulp yields over 90% of the wood as fiber is produced by forcing the barbed logs about 2 meters long and hot water between enormous rotating steel discs with teeth that literally tear the wood apart. Hydra pulping. The wood fibers are brought into a circular tank containing water. This has a very powerful agitator at the bottom which breaks up the bales into small pieces. Blend chest. Chemicals can be added to obtain the required characteristics to the finished paper. Dyes are also added as necessary to color the paper. Waste paper. Waste paper is collected from waste paper banks and commercial dumps. Waste paper currently represents 67% of the raw material in paper industry. Paper not suitable for recycling is removed. De-inking. Before printed paper can be recycled, the ink needs to be removed, otherwise it will be dispersed into the pulp. There are two main processes for de-inking waste paper. First one is washing, second is flotation. Refining. This is where the cellulose fibers pass through a refining process which is vital in the art of paper making. Before refining, the fibers are stiff, inflexible and form few bonds. Screening and cleaning. Pulp contain undesirable fibers and non-fibrous materials which should be removed before the pulp is made into paper. Cleaning involves removing small particles of dirt and grits using rotating screens and centrifugal cleaners. Paper making machine. A slurry of fiber is drained to create a continuous paper web. After the forming section, the wet web passes through a press section to squeeze out excess water. Then the pressed web passes through a heated drying section. Conversion and printing. Simply put, a paper converter takes one form of paper and fabricates it into another paper product. For example, a large roll of kraft paper could be printed, coated and sheeted into custom specified sandwich wrappers for restaurants. There is SWOT analysis. Strengths: large and growing domestic paper market, relatively low personnel and fuel cost, well developed printing industry. Weaknesses: fiber storage, small and fragmented industry structure, environmental problem of most of the small pulp mills and also some big mills, impact of high local taxes like sales tax, entry tax, etc. Opportunities: enormous domestic market potential, WTO foreign participation, FDA would speed up restructuring, low labor cost. Threats: unprepared mills for international competition, decline in capacity, short term planning for raw material. And geographical distribution of paper industry in India. Maharashtra. It is a major paper producing state in India. It has 63 mills, accounts for 16.52% of the installed capacity and produces 18% of the paper produced in India. Second one is Andhra Pradesh. This has 19 mills, accounts for 11.3% of installed capacity and 13% of India's total production of paper. Madhya Pradesh. This state has large tract under cellulose raw material. There is 18 mills and account for 6.62% of the total installed capacity of India. Karnataka. It has 17 mills accounting for 5.48% of the total capacity of India. Gujarat, there is 55 mills. Uttar Pradesh, it has 68 mills. West Bengal, it was the pioneer state in the paper industry at the initial stage and led the country till mid 1980s. Industry is based on bamboo which is available locally or is obtained from Assam, Odisha and Jharkhand and Sabai grass. Next is Odisha. The paper industry of this state used bamboo as raw material. It has only 8 mills but their size is sufficiently large, enabling the state to account for over 6% of the total capacity. Tamil Nadu. It has 24 small size mills and these mills use locally grown bamboo. Punjab, there is 23 mills. Haryana, it has 18 mills. Assam, it is one of the centers which fulfill the bamboo requirements for paper industry. Nagaon has one of the largest paper mills of India. Next is effects of digital transformation on paper industry. Demand for the print paper will continue to decline with increasing internet uses and the rise of social media. Intelligent packaging and personalization will be in demand with increasing demand from the e-commerce sector. Present scenario of paper industry in India. Under the baseline scenario, by 2024-25, domestic consumption is projected to rise to 23.5 million TPA and production to 22.0 million TPA. About 1 million TPA of integrated pulp, paper and paperboard capacity is required to be created in India on an annual basis over the current capacity to meet the growing demand. Future of paper industry in India. With the view of increasing demand, paper industry in India is expected to rise with the 100% growth in next 8 to 10 years. The annual turnover is approximately 35 crores and we are one of the major players of paper industry at global level. New initiatives. First one is agroforestry and second is clean technology. Agroforestry, at the current estimate, wood-based segments of the industry uses 80% of the total requirement from farm-produced wood. Clean technology. Two key Swedish institutes involved in environmental and pulp and paper research. Overview of paper industry. The Indian paper industry accounts for about 4% of the world's production of paper. The estimated turnover of the industry is INR 70,000 crore, 70,000 crore, and its contribution to the exchequer is around INR 5,000 crore. The industry provides direct employment to 5 lakh persons and indirectly to around 1.5 million. Pulp and Paper Industry of India IPMA member mills in 2018-19. There is writing and printing paper 1000 tons, packaging paper, board and other varieties. Exports and imports of paper, paperboard and newsprints in 2010-11. Exports are 533,000 tons and imports 1,785,000 tons. And in the last 2018-19, total exports increased by 1,495,000 tons and imports are decreased by 2,845,000 tons. Blue line shows exports and red line shows imports. Estimated production in terms of raw material used. Waste paper, recycled fiber 58%, wood bamboo 25%, wheat straw 17%. Estimated domestic market size and growth in 2018-19. Paper grade domestic market size in million tons and growth rate in percentage. Exports and imports of paper, paperboard and newsprint 2018-19 in 1000 tons. HS code, product description, export and then imports. And last is conclusion. Taking appropriate steps can minimize generation or effects of generation of variety of waste in pulp and paper mills industries are one of the major source of solids waste generation. Due to lack of proper attention of industry authority, the waste often creates problem of environmental pollution. Thanks for watching.